Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay students, today we will discuss about assignment number 5 and the topic is earth movements. Students, as we know that earth, which is also known as heavenly body, is a planet of the sun and revolves around it. So there are two types of motion of the earth. How many motions of the earth? Two. Number one is rotation and number two is revolution. First of all, we will discuss about rotation. Rotation, when the earth moves around its axis, this is called rotation. What is axis students? Axis किसको बोलते हैं? Axis जो है ये, this is an imaginary line. This imaginary line is called axis, around which the earth moves. Is it clear? And this movement is always from west to east. This movement is from west to east and it has a speed of 1700 km per hour and it takes a complete rotation around its axis in 24 hours. उसको जो है 24 आवर्स में जो है वो अपना एक जो है राउंड, एक एक्सिस जो है राउंड कंप्लीट कर लेता है अर्थ. ठीक है. एंड एज अ रिजल्ट डेज एंड नाइट आर फॉर्म. के हवाले से अगर हम एग्जांपल देखें तो स्पिनिंग टॉप जो है, जिससे आजकल बच्चे खेलते भी है, लट्टू जिसको बोलते हैं, आप हम देखें तो उसकी एग्जांपल हम लोग ले सकते हैं कि जैसे वो रोटेट करता है एक ही एक्सिस में. ठीक है. उसकी एक्सिस होती है ये इमेजिनरी लाइन, तो उसकी एक्सिस में ये रोटेट करता है. दिस इज़ द एग्जांपल ऑफ रोटेशन. So is it clear that rotation is when the earth moves around its axis? This is called rotation and this is from always west to east and it takes the speed of 1700 km per hour and it completes its full rotation in 24 hours and in this result day and night is formed. Okay, now students, the second type of motion is revolution. What is revolution? Revolution is the movement of the earth. Revolution is the movement of earth in its orbit. This is orbit. Okay. Earth, the movement of earth in its orbit around the sun is called revolution. And this movement is always in anti-clockwise hours. And it's complete, it orbits in 365 days and 6 hours. And in this result, seasons are formed. Is it clear? The movement of the earth in its orbit around the sun is called revolution. Students, due to the tilt of the earth axis and the revolution of the different types, seasons are formed. Students, most of the area of the earth has 4 seasons. How many seasons? 4 seasons. That is summer, autumn, winter and spring. Is a warm season, गर्म मौसम जिसको बोलते हैं, because the days are longer and this is the reason that sun is high in the sky. Secondly, autumn is the season after the summer and before the winter. In this season, trees lose their leaves, usually after turning yellow, red and brown. Is it clear? Then thirdly, winter is a cold season, सर्द मौसम, because the days are shorter, उसमें दिन जो है वो छोटे होते हैं and thus the sun is low in the sky. Fourthly, spring is the season after the winter and before the summer. In this season, plants grow and flower blooms. So I hope students understand the motions of earth clearly. If there is some problem in understanding, you can question me. Okay. Thank you.